Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this vehicle comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, has tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with the speed limiter. The car has some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, there's blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre PureTech engine that gives you 180 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 10,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.